Here we go. Goodbye, Florence. I will return to visit all the museums and churches. I'm about to board my train eventually when it shows up. Like everything else here in Italy, everything's on Italian time, but it could be worse. If things are on Sicilian time, they just don't happen. Heading back to Rome. I had a wonderful time here in Florence, except it was brutally hot, very humid, similar to Sicily, but not as bad though. Sicily was just a killer. All right. I guess that's for ashtray. That's an ashtray, not for holy water. Away from the bustling crowds. In a few hours, I'll be in Rome.